Okay, here we are again. Today, I went ahead and I took this off. That piece there is one of the braces for the main bearings. I don't know whether I need to take that off or not, but at least now I can see what's going on. As you see, I got the cap off the other, and I couldn't get the cylinder out with the bent rod, so I'm going ahead with the one next to it, and that way it'll be out of the way and I'll be able to see better what's going on. When we took that off, we did find an interesting piece. Let me find it here. So, nice. So that was laying on top of that, which looks like, I don't know what it looks like. I'd say part of the cylinder. All right, we'll check back. Oh no, go ahead. Now, any luck, this guy's gonna pop out of here. How you doing?
It's tough. I'm like really getting
Okay, stop.